Good morning, students. Yes, chapter 3rd, factors and multiple. Our next topic is prime factorization. Yes, class, now today we will learn how can we do prime factorization method. First of all, a composite number can be shown as the product of prime factor. Yes, इसमें क्या है कि एक composite number है that is product of two prime factor. ठीक है ना, कंपोजिट नंबर को प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू प्राइम फैक्टर के थ्रू आपको दिखाया गया है एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. इसको हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन बोलते हैं. There are two methods of prime factorization. First is factor tree method and another one is division method. So now let's discuss what is factor tree method. A factor tree is a tool that break down any number into prime factor. इसमें क्या होता है बेटा, एक गिवन नंबर है हमारे पास, ठीक है ना, any given number and we break it into its two prime factor. हमने उसके ऐसे फैक्टर बनाने हैं टू जो क्या हो, प्राइम हो. Next है, the first step in making a factor tree is to find a pair of factor. Those product is the number that we are factoring. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने वो नंबर लेना है, ठीक है ना, जिसको हम फैक्टर कर रहे हैं, तो उसके हमने टू पेयर्स लेने हैं, ठीक है ना, टू पेयर्स लेने हैं जिनका दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या बन रहा हो, सेम नंबर आपका बन रहा हो. दीज टू फैक्टर्स आर द फर्स्ट ब्रांचिंग इन द फैक्टर ट्री. और जो ये दो आपके नंबर आएंगे, दीज आर द फर्स्ट टू फैक्टर ऑफ योर फर्स्ट ब्रांचिंग इन अ फैक्टर tree. Now we will repeat the process with each factor until each branch of the tree ends in a prime. और हम फिर क्या करेंगे, इस प्रोसेस को हम तब तक रिपीट करेंगे जब तक हमारी जो लास्ट वाली ब्रांच है उसके दोनों फैक्टर क्या ना हो, प्राइम ना बन जाए. ओके क्लास, नाउ you can see how can we change. Yes class, so here is factor tree. Now we are making the prime factor of 12. So first pair we take as 2 into 6. So 2 is a prime factor of 12, but 6 is not a prime factor of 12. So another, now we are breaking down the 6 as a into factor. So 6 is equal to 2 times 3. Again 2 is a prime factor and 3 is also a prime factor. So this is called a factor tree we have. So now the prime factor of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. So this is a factor tree. How can we take? This is a prime factorization of 12, like 2 times 2 times 3. Now I am taking another same example, but now we are taking another pairs of 12. So we can write 12 as 3 times 4. 4 times 3, 3 times 4, okay, 3 times 4. So now here is 3. 3 is a prime factor of 12, but 4 is not a prime factor of 12. Now we break again. So the 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So I write here 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 and 2, these both are prime factor of 4. So these are the prime factorization of 12 with another pair of factors. So in both way we got the same factors, same prime factors, okay. So these are factor tree method. Now let's try, we have another example of, there is a factor tree of 56. So first of all we take the pair as 7 8s are 56. Now 7 is a prime factor but 8 is not a prime factor. So now again we break 8 into 2 factor, like 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, and again 2 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. Now we repeat again the same process. Now again we break 4 into 2 factor, like 2 into 2, that is 4. This is the last branch of this tree. Okay, it contains prime factor. So what are the prime factor of 56? 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay class, so in this way we can make any kind of prime factor. Now next we have division method. Yes class, in this method we start dividing the given number by the smallest prime number. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी आपको given number होगा उसको आपने divide करना है smallest prime number से, and continue division by prime number till we reach 1. और हमने इस प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यू रखना है जब तक हम कहाँ पर नहीं आ जाते, हमारा लास्ट हम 1 पर नहीं पहुंच जाते, यानी कि हमारा जो प्राइम नंबर है वो 1 नहीं आ जाता. Now let us factorize 45 by the division method. Now you can see here 45. So first of all 45, it is divisible by 3, as you can check here. Okay, firstly I divide 45 by 3 and the result is 15 we have. Now again 15, it's again divisible by 3. When we divide 15 by 3, then we will get 5 again. So now same number 5. तो अब हमने 5 को भी डिवाइड करना है, because we have to reach till 1. हमने 1 तक जाना है. Okay class. Now 5 is again divisible by prime factor 5. So 5 divisible by 5, then we got 1. So now notice that we repeatedly divide by the smallest prime number. Now the prime factorization of 45 is 3 times of 5. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.